Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming TPM and Secure Boot. Bitlocker needs hardware-backed keys for full protection. Open Windows Security or reboot to BIOS/UEFI, enable TPM 1, 2/2, 0 and Secure Boot if off. Once done, sign in to an administrator account and choose where to store the recovery key, Microsoft account, USB, or a file. Backup is critical because without it you could lose access. Make sure disk partitions are standard, MBR or GPT, and that you have recent backups before proceeding. You now open Bitlocker Drive Encryption and click Turn on Bitlocker for the OS drive. Choose how you want to unlock, TPM only, TPM plus PIN or password. TPM plus PIN increases physical security. Next, save the recovery key to your preferred location and confirm. This step prevents permanent lockout. Then select encryption options. XDSAES is modern and secure, and choose Encrypt Use Disk only for new PCs or full disk for existing data. Once configured, start encryption and let it run. You finish by rebooting if prompted so TPM can initialize and Bitlocker can complete setup. After restart, confirm the drive shows as encrypted in Windows Security. If hardware changes trigger a recovery prompt, supply the saved recovery key. This is why backing it up upfront matters. If encryption stalls or fails, check Smart Disk Health, ensure adequate free space, and disable third-party disk tools, then retry encryption. If problems persist, use the recovery key to access data and contact IT or Microsoft support for advanced diagnostics.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.